आयच्यान म्हाजी एज अ मेयर म्हणून सेकंड इनिंग सुरू जाता. म्हजो कलीग विभा अक्षिकार एज अ डेप्युटी मेयर आमी दोगी जाण अंडर द लिडर ऑफ बाबूश आमचो लिडर MLA तेजें जें विजन आसा पणजे चकाचक करपाची ह्या तेज्या सपना खातीर आमी दोगी जाण विथ आमचे सगळे कावन्सिलर सगळे आमचे कॉर्पोरेटर्स सगळे आमचे ऑफिसर्स सगळ्यांक आमी वावुरतले आनी पणजे लोकांक एक आदर्श सिटी म्हणून गोंयची आमी दिवपाचें ट्राय करतले. आमचें ऑफिस हें पिपल्स फ्रेंडली ऑफिस आसतलें हेका आमी ट्राय करतले. लोकांक त्रास जायना अशें लोकांक परत परत हाका पावटी मारूंक जायना बारीक बारीक कामांक हे त्रास जावंक जायना खातीर आमी एक सिस्टम हें करतले. टायम बाउंड तांकां सर्वीस दिवपाक आमी ट्राय करतले. लोकांचो आमकां गाळयो न्ही लोकांचे आमकां आशिर्वाद जाय. लोकांनी निवडून दिला आमची खूब अपेक्षा आसा त्यो अपेक्षा आमी पूर्ण करपाक आमी वावुरतले आनी एक पणजे जी खूब फाटीं गेल्ली ती फुडें हाडपाक ट्राय करतले विथ द हेल्प ऑफ आमचो कमिशनर संजीत जाका पणजेची सगळी जाण खबर आसा. ताका जी गार्बेज प्रॉब्लेम जावं वा बाकीचो प्रॉब्लेम ह्या खातीर आमी सगळे एकठांय जावन कमिशनर आमी सगळे एकठांय जावन आमी काम करतले आनी फुडली ही जी ज्यो इलेक्शन इयर आसा लोकांनी आमकां 5 वर्सां निवडून दिल्लें कितें कामां उरल्यां ती जाता ती बेगीन आमी कंप्लीट करपाक ट्राय करतले.
जशें आतां मेयरान म्हणलें आमची CCP आमी पब्लीक फ्रेंडली अशें करपाक सोदता. म्हणजे आमच्या मनान अशें आसा की जो पब्लीक हांगा येतलो सर्वसामान्य पणजेकार हांगा येतलो तो खंय तरी निराश जावन वचचो ना आनी ताका परत परत टिपी मारूंक पडचो ना अशी सिस्टम आमी डेवलप करतले. तशेंच आमचे लेगसी इश्यूज जे आसा ते सगळे हे वर्सां भितर आमच्या ह्या टेन्युवरान आमी क्लियर करपाक ट्राय करतले. रिकवरी हाऊस टॅक्स आमकां खूब येणें आसा. मेयराच्या मनान आसा की ते चडांत चड रिकवरी आमी बेगींतले बेगीन करतले. आतां CCPचे फायनान्शियल हेल्थ जी आसा ती रिकवर जातली आनी डेवलपमेंटाक कसली खडखड येवची ना. आमी एक्सपेक्ट करता की आमचे ऑनरेबल MLA आमचे बरोबर आसाच तशें गोंय सरकारूय आमकां फायनान्शियली आनी बाकीच्या कामाकूय मदत करतले अशी आशा बाळगता आनी आमी खूबय जाण पणजेच्या इंट्रस्टान काम करतले अशें.
Well, as you know, the election was conducted today. Only one set of nominations was received for the post of mayor and deputy mayor. So the election took place unopposed, and so Mr. Uday Matkekar is elected unopposed, and so is Shri Vasant Akshikar, who is the deputy mayor. One of the important things is also special consultative committees, the standing committee, and more importantly the market and health committee has been also elected. Major issues have to be decided by these committees. Market is the Panjim municipal market is one of the major issues before the corporation. We have to definitely work towards signing of lease agreements with our existing tenants. Some tough decisions have to be taken, and this issue has to be resolved once for all. We hope the market committee meets quickly and works on this aspect. We would also, after settlement of this issue, like to further the third phase of the Panjim municipal market. One of the conditions is that we should first settle this. Otherwise, the third phase also would go into a limbo, and as you know, nothing much has progressed because we have not been able to get these agreements signed. So we look forward to getting these support and cooperation of this new consultative committees and the corporation body for the next coming financial year.
Market bill issue.
Pardon?
Market bill issue.
Market?
Yes. Power issue.
Power. Oh, the power issue. We have been very clear. We own up that there are dues, but we would be able to pay this backlog, and we would like to honor this backlog payment, but it is linked to signing of agreements and we getting revenue from the existing tenants. We had written to the State Power Department that they would be free to disconnect the electricity since we as a principal would not be able to divert taxpayers' money into payment of bills which are being incurred on facilities for commercial entities. So public funds going into upkeep of some individuals, tenants, business people who are running commercial entities, as a policy we do not agree to this. The electricity department is free to take action. But having said that, if the agreements are signed, our commitment towards upkeep of the market, towards health and hygiene of the market, enforcement of rules and regulations at the market stand. I would work very closely with this new committee, and I hope decisions are taken and this issue is resolved with the cooperation of all stakeholders.
Mayor has expressed that he is very happy under you being a commissioner. How do you feel?
No. We are focused on work of Panjim. Monsoons are approaching. We generally work in tandem. We have to work because support of the mayor and his corporation body is very much essential for taking Panji forward. He has taken some proactive steps, and I wish these proactive steps continue in these areas of development of Panji in terms of settlement of long pending issues of Panji. And I think if the teamwork goes ahead smoothly, I think Panji will see happy days.
So how do you see after the pay parking implementation? How do you see the security discipline?
Nobody, before criticizing this, we should see what was the situation. What was the situation of parking with so many tourist taxis being parked, so many second cars being parked, so many cars being parked as a garage parking. We have eliminated all these cars. A lot more parking is today available in the city, and people have complimented us silently for implementing this proposal. This is just phase one of the proposal. Some other roads have to go ahead under pay parking. It will be covered under this pay parking scheme. It is not only bringing discipline in parking, but it is also creating ample of parking space for people who come and enter the city. Almost 100 to 150 cars on these streets have either been removed, which were being parked there permanently, or which were being brought as double cars. Some were using this parking space as their garage, and for months and years together they will be parked. So I think it has given us a good insight into how people were abusing the system and making this public roads as parking garages. Definitely the corporation has supported it, the mayor is for it. The second phase of this program would be implemented in due course. We are trying to incorporate some learnings which we have got from the existing pay parking implementation. We would tighten it now, and I think overall there has been a positive vibe on this initiative of the corporation.
Regarding the taxi stands,
No, there is no question of incorporating any taxi stands in this. The tourist taxis permit conditions are very clear. There is no stand allotted. Neither do we think that it should be allotted. If they are assigned to some hotels, they can use the hotel's internal parking. If not, they can be on call, but definitely there is no question